Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 19th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm still very bullish overall on this. I still think it is very likely to be an ABC. I still think it's very likely that this is a WXY, which is most likely going to go up and take out these highs for the W, the X, and now we're in an ABC of wave Y. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are going down very strong for the past 3 weeks, as you can see, but I still think it's a good chance that this is a 1 and a 2. I still think there's a very good chance that eventually this is going to go up and finish off this uptrend, making a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which should be a wave C of this A, B, C of wave Y. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a turn up right here, and it is kind of at a fib level. We're gonna have to keep an eye on it. Some of these dollar pairs do kind of look like they may potentially be ending a correction, but I'm not really convinced of that. I mean, I think there's a better chance that it is going to go down one more time, probably to properly take out these lows, probably bounce off a Fibonacci level, and then that's going to be the end of a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. Probably a 1, 2, 3 of this wave C. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs. If this move up right here does end up being a correction, then it should bounce off a Fibonacci retracement level, make a nice big engulfing move to the downside, or better yet, a break of structure. So if you see this picture right here, like a break of structure to the downside, or you see a big engulfing move at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely take it as a short, for sure. But there's also a possibility this is a wave C, so unless you see that picture right there, you may want to look for longs because there's always a possibility that it just keeps on going up. And if you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price action, you should be able to tell if it's ending a correction or not. Now we are at a Fibonacci level right now on the 1 hour time frame. So I mean, if it turns into a big engulfing move down, I would definitely go short. But like I said, otherwise, these even if this is the end of an ABC, these Fibonacci levels will be areas of resistance. You will get bounces off those levels, but you most likely will not get a break of structure if this really is the end of a correction and it really is continuing the uptrend. So, like I said, unless I see something like this, or I see, something like this, like a big engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend, at least until we have some evidence that this really is a correction and then it really is going back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.